Hello, good morning. This is Jaideep. Here we are going to unboxing the new smartphone launched by Asus. That name is Asus Zenfone Max. So please wait for that. Here, this is the new smartphone Asus Zenfone Max, which is having two main features, and that is 5000 milliampere battery and Gorilla Glass 4 with 5.5 inch screen size. So before going to start that mobile, here the main features of the mobile are Bluetooth 4.0. That is one of the best features. 4G is here. This is the dual SIM mobile, which is having one SIM for the 3G and GSM, and the another SIM is for 4G SIM. And HD display here, high definition, which is having 720 into 1280 pixel, so which is best for viewing angle, and having 5000 milliampere battery. This is the main features of this mobile. So here I am going to start the mobile. Slim here the mobile is slim and also in light in weight as compared to other mobiles, and having main features 5000 mAh battery and 4.0 Bluetooth, having 5.5 inch display and Gorilla Glass 4. So here I am just doing the simple basic procedures of this. Here smooth touch is there, so that is one of the best keypad touch settings. And here the completing of this finishing result. Here is the Asus Zenfone Max. Here now we are going to see the main features of that. Now having phone specification, that's having model number Asus Z01OD and having Lollipop version 5.0.2, and that's launched before a few days ago on 15th January, and this is very much affordable and fastest smartphone right now from Asus. Now going to some basic features of that. That is having a 13 megapixel camera. You are seeing that with xenon flash. That is one of the main features when you are going to take pictures in low light mode. And having a primary camera is 5 megapixel, which is mainly used for the selfies right now. And we are going to open that camera and check the quality of this camera. It's having some problem for finding camera. Oh yeah. Here is the camera with 13 megapixel flash, and you are seeing that camera. Hey, have you ever watched this type of shutter speed? it's having 0.03 second. It means it takes 0.03 second to take one photo. Here I am again taking one photo. It's having as compared to iPhone, that is the main key feature of this camera. Now we are going to take the selfie from this. Here you are showing that. Here the main features that I have seen you, and now checking the quality of this camera from album. Wait for that. Where's the gallery? Is also new for me, so it takes some time to take the pictures to find gallery. Okay, here we are going to check the quality, having extra fine quality for the picture, and some more features for the high definition, and they are camera resolution. Till now the camera resolution is 10 megapixel. Now changing the mode from 10 to 13. Now we are taking one picture for that. Now here one more option for stabilizing the picture, or you can say focus the image. That is the main key features, and it is having 16 GB of internal memory and 2 GB of RAM, which is main part of that. Here we are going to apps for checking the internal storage. Here you can see out of 16 GB, the user can use that space that is 10.38 GB. It means you can use 10 around GB for internal storage, and that is supported up to 64 GB for external, and system reserved that is 5.62 GB. That system occupies that space. So having this type of features, this affordable price, right now 10,000 for this mobile is here, and checking another features, music and that all, that is same features. So thank you so much for viewing this video. Subscribe.